If you want to stop receiving messages from a specific contact or number without fully blocking them on your iPhone, well, look no further. Here, I'll show you a few different methods to ignore or stop getting message without even blocking them. Here's how to do it. Solution 1. Hide alerts for a specific contact. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Find and open the conversation with the contact or number you want to stop receiving notification from. Tap the contact's name or number at the top of the conversation. Tap the Info button. Toggle on Hide Alerts. This will stop notification for this conversation, but you will still receive the messages in the Messages app. Solution 2. Use Do Not Disturb mode for messages. If you want to avoid all notifications while still receiving messages, open Settings, tap Focus, tap Plus, tap Custom, type Silent, tap Next, tap Customize Focus, tap Choose People, select Silent Notification From, tap Add People, add that people person here. Tap Done, tap Done. Tap Choose App, tap Plus icon, find out message and select it here. Tap Done. Now swipe Done from top to open Control Panel. Tap Focus. Now active the silent option from Do Not Disturb. Solution 3. Enable Unknown Sender. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap App. Scroll down. Find and tap Messages. Scroll down. Tap Unknown and Spam. Enable this filter Unknown Sender. This will separate messages from unknown numbers into a different tab in the Messages app. By using these methods, you can manage your messaging experience without fully blocking contacts, ensuring you stay informed while reducing interruptions. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.